Okay, guys, we got something coming. Pacific, freight train. Intermodal. More BNSF. All that graffiti. See what we got. Dang. We got another one. No. He's slowing down. I don't know what happened. Evergreen, more Evergreen. Oh, Grupo Mexico. Oh, 40. Sorry for the filming, but CSX? CSX, your heritage units are kind of in. Bro. Oh crap! Oh crap, guys! We got him in DPU. Let's go. Let's check it out. 7-11-2. Like this is not even the end of the train, and he already stopped. Oh, that's graffiti. I'll try to see if my mom will let me stay to see if it will move, but bye guys.